So we got a brand new client here. He just purchased this car. It's a 99 Ferrari 355 Coupe, Berlinetta, and the car won't go into gear. It's because of the F1 system. On these cars, if you look inside, usually you'll see a 355 with a 6-speed manual. But in 98 and 99, they came out with the pretty much first generation F1 system with the paddle shifters, which was supposed to be the baddest, the biggest, and the most awesomest shifting system in the world when it first came out, because F1 cars used it back in the day too. But now people like it to where, nope, they want to go back to the 6-speed manual. So that's what a lot of people do conversions, like the 430s, 599s, 360s, 355 manual conversions, and people like them that way. So on this one, we're going to diagnose to see what's going on with the F1 system, if the pump's messed up, relay, wiring, and see why it won't go into gear. Maybe we'll recommend like a manual swap. We'll see. If you can't drive manual, we'll fix this. Hey, by the way, you'll be very surprised. We have a lot of, not this one, because the one who dropped off this is an excellent tow truck driver, but some AAA tow truck drivers cannot drive manual cars. We have to get in and help them take the car off the tow truck. So, wow.